Welcome to JoJo TV Journey. Full disclosure, I am now officially an affiliate with Equip Foods. Yay! What that means is that I'm getting a tiny commission every time you purchase using my affiliate link or using my code, which is JojoTV. So when you go to equipfoods.com and using my code, you use JojoTV, and the goodness, you're gonna get 15% discount. So it's not gonna cost you more. You're actually getting discount by using my affiliate links or the code when you check out. Code is JojoTV, JoJoTV. All right, that is the disclosure. So, and those tiny commission that I'll be getting from this affiliate thingy, I'll be using it to purchase more of my own use protein powder from Equip. And again, this is actually, I purchased this with my own money. This is not free. I just want to let you know that. But when you use my code, I will get a tiny commission. So I appreciate that. Let's unbox this all together. All right. Okay, this first box I have this flavor. This is the first time I'm actually going to try this flavor. Iced coffee. There you go. So what I wanted to share with you guys is the ingredients of this. But first of all, I always go to Whole Foods first before I take supplements, like protein supplements like this. And sometimes I cannot get all the protein I need for the day because I can only eat so much meat and so much eggs. So I supplement it with protein drink like this. So look at these ingredients. Grass-fed beef, natural flavors, Indian braid dried coffee, sea salt, and stevia. Calories is 90 per 1 scoop. Carbohydrate, 1 gram. Protein, 21 grams. Vitamin E, 1 milligram, and so on and so forth. I will just kind of put 1 scoop. You can probably double it up, depends on what you need for the day. But again, I always eat my protein as a whole food first before I go to a supplement. That's what I would do. To me, I don't know what you'd like to do, but for me, I like to go with the whole foods first. But for all the protein powder that I've tried, this is by far the best tasting. Actually, I haven't tried the iced yet. The one here is the one I've tried, so I'm gonna show you that right now. Let's, wow, hello. Okay, wow, doesn't want to open. This is the one, I ordered more of this one because this flavor is the one that I drink the most. Chocolate flavor. So same ingredients here. It says here, let me read it while I'm putting this in front. Can't read it that far. Grass-fed beef protein, cocoa powder, and stevia extract. Right here, you guys. See? Only 100 calories. So this has more calories than the coffee. The coffee only has 90, but this one has 21 grams of protein. The coffee has 21 grams, so it's the same. This is per scoop, by the way. And sodium in this one is less, 145 milligrams. This one has 220. Potassium, this one has potassium. Wow, 275 milligrams on this one, on the chocolate. This one here doesn't have potassium. Again, I've never tried the iced coffee yet. That's why I purchased this, because I wanted to give it a try. But this one chocolate, I've tried this. This is probably I bought like 10 packages of this, and I think I have 2 more, and I want to make sure that I will have backups because I share this now with my sister and with my nephew. So we're actually all going to share this. So yeah, this is it. Just very simple ingredients. I really love the taste of it. I simply put it sometimes with water and sometimes with half and half. I really like it with half and half, by the way, with a lot of ice. I want to give you my affiliate links anywhere from wherever you're listening or watching this video. And I'll also already told you the affiliate code that you want to use is JojoTV. You will get 15% discount on your purchase. And that's it. Let me know how you like this protein powder. And some of my videos, I'm probably gonna make it and show you. It's pretty simple, but it's just straightforward. It doesn't taste like beef, okay? Because you're gonna think like, okay, beef, grass-fed beef protein. Is that like taste like beef? No, it doesn't taste like beef at all. At first, I thought it was gonna be like weird, but I gave it a try and I'm like, you know what? I don't really think that I'm like eating like a, what do you call that? A mixed up or powdered beef. It's not. I don't know how they make it like that, but it's amazing. One scoop, you get that much protein, 21 grams, grass-fed beef protein. Come on, can't beat that. All right, I actually have 3 here. I'm gonna show you. So they're all chocolate. So I'm giving one to my sister. Actually, they pay for this too. We all share this. And my nephew, and this is for myself, and this is for myself. And I think we still have 2 there that we use. So now we're not gonna run out of protein powder, and I'm mostly gonna use this maybe for post-workout. And that's it. Yay, Equip, thank you for making me an affiliate. I love it. All right, you guys, make sure to use JojoTV when you buy anything from equipfoods.com, and you will get 15% discount, and I'll get a small commission so I can buy more of these protein powder. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much for joining me in this journey, and I will see you again on the next video. Mwah.